WP Media Manager walkthrough. In this tutorial, we will show you how to take your first steps with WP Media Manager. Connecting your site. The first time you open the application, you will be greeted by an empty interface. The first thing you need to do is add a site by clicking the Add New Site button. On this screen, you need to name the site, usually the actual name of the website, and enter its URL. Next, specify your username and password. Note, the user must have an administrator role in WordPress. After that, you must enter the specific application password. How to generate an application password. Log into your WordPress dashboard with an administrator account and go to the Users panel. Select the user you have chosen to access WP Media Manager and scroll down the settings until you find the Application Password section. Generate a new password and copy it. Keep in mind that this password will not be displayed again, so you must save it in a secure place, or you will need to generate a new one to log in from another computer. Return to the Add New Site panel in the app, paste this password, and click Continue. As you can see on the main screen, the site's images will start to appear. You won't just find images here, but also videos, various media, and any uploaded documents. By default, the app displays the last 30 days of activity, media uploaded within the last 30 days. However, using the Time menu, you can set any time frame, including all media. The initial display speed depends on your internet connection. However, the application caches all images to make future browsing much faster. You can sort the found media by date and size, both ascending and descending. You can filter the found media by file type, resolution, and file size. Editing metadata and SEO. Click on a media file to view its metadata in the side inspector, where you can also edit it. Click the Save button to update the data on the site. These are standard WordPress metadata and are saved directly into the WordPress database. If you view the media in the WordPress media library, you will see that the information has been updated. In the inspector, you will find a panel that evaluates the image's SEO impact: red, poor; yellow, average; green, good, and provides suggestions on how to improve it. By clicking this purple button, the app will suggest locally AI-generated metadata. Even if it isn't perfect, it still gives you a solid starting point for both accessibility and SEO. If you exit the inspector without saving the metadata, the app will remind you so you don't lose your changes. Managing and tagging images. Also in the inspector, there is a button in the bottom right corner that copies the media's absolute URL, which is useful if you want to use it in other contexts, such as a newsletter or social media. You can use the download button to save the image to your local computer. You can add a tag to an image. These tags are not saved on WordPress because by default, WordPress does not allow custom tags for images. Instead, this information only acts on the local database, allowing you to group images by assigning them to specific projects or products. You can select multiple images and apply all these settings in bulk quickly. Uploading, compressing, and replacing. Image uploading is perhaps the most important feature of WP Media Manager. To upload images, simply drag and drop them into the main window. A screen will open, allowing you to specify exactly how to upload the images and whether to recompress them to optimize quality and reduce file size. You can specify the upload format for each individual image, keeping the original format or transcoding it. By moving the slider, you can set the desired quality level, seeing the file size and the savings compared to the original file in real time. For images with an alpha channel, you can remove the transparency by setting a background color. You can replace an image with another one. For example, if you want to update a logo or a photo, select the image, right-click to open the context menu, and click Replace Image. Select the new image, which must have the same file type and extension as the one being replaced, and click Continue. You can batch recompress and optimize a group of images. Select the images you want to recompress. From the menu in the bottom right corner, select Recompress. In the Settings window, you can specify which images should actually be recompressed and set your target space savings. Advanced features, AI and site search. For those who perform analysis or generate content using AI models, an important menu item has been added. If you select a group of images, for example, all those related to a specific project, sharing the same tag, click the bottom right menu and select Copy Report. All the information from the selected images, title, alt text, content, and URL will be copied to your clipboard. You can feed this data exactly as it is into an AI model to help you create an HTML page or a newsletter. Right-click on an image and select the Find in WordPress Site menu item. A window will open showing you exactly where the image is referenced across posts, pages, and products if you have WooCommerce installed. Take full control of your digital workflow today. WP Media Manager. Optimize, organize, and elevate your WordPress assets directly from your desktop.